Hi guys, I hope you're all having a great day. I'm having a good day. All day I've been stalking Nordstrom's to see when they're going to deliver my new perfume so that I can work on my next haul. So excited about the next ones I picked up. But anywho, that's for another video. Today we're going to talk about fragrances that I am hoping to use up this spring and summer. And then I probably won't be purchasing them. Please stay tuned to find out why I won't be repurchasing these fragrances and also to find out which fragrances they are. All right. So today we're going to talk about the fragrances that I am trying to use up and that I will not be repurchasing. So these fragrances are fragrances that I like. I enjoyed why I had them because I did give them away. If I don't like something, I don't hold on to it. I'll give it away. I won't force myself to keep using it. These fragrances I do enjoy for different reasons, which we'll discuss. But they've either outlived their life with me, like I've kind of grown up, or I've found something similar but better. So let's get started. First, we have Burberry Body Tender. This to me is a very smells good. This one is to me is a very citrusy note. This is a 1 fluid ounce, and it is a toilette, I believe. So this one to me was like very nice and refreshing. Still is. As you can see, I am almost done, which I'm excited. It's always exciting to me. I don't know if it's exciting to you when you can actually use up a perfume so you can clear it out of your collection, especially if you're not repurchasing it, so you can kind of clear it up and feel better about having so many. So I'm excited to finish this one. But this one is, the accords are green, rose, bitter, aromatics, and fruity. Again, like I said, it's very citrusy on me. It does have some green notes. I like it. It's refreshing. There's nothing wrong with it. I just don't think I'll repurchase it. Because I have so many other ones now that I would probably use more. And unfortunately, but fortunately, I'm grateful. Being an adult now, there's less times I would have there's less times that I would want to use this. Like I probably would not wear this scent to work. If I did wear it to work, it would be like a casual Friday. So I have less weekends and less downtime where I have other fragrances that I would much rather use. So that's Burberry Body Tender. Hoping to use this up. I think I can get that done, right? I should be able to get that done. Use it up, and I will not be repurchasing. Next, we have Balenciaga Rose. This is as it's named, it's a rose scent. I like it. To me, this is I guess rose scent, at least for me. Rose scents always kind of had a bad name growing up. You just had that, I don't know, I always thought of like the older rosy kind of powder soapy smell that you would find in like older people's like powder room, like that rose scent. So when I found this one, I was like, oh, this is what an actual rose fragrance does. It's not that soapy, very strong fake rose smell. But this one, the accords are woody, rose, powdery, fruity, floral. I like this. It's not that I don't like this. And this one is kind of up in the air. I just believe that there's better rose fragrances I like. This one is an everyday rose. I feel that I can wear this in the spring, summer, fall. And depending where I am in the winter, what climate I am, you can still wear this. So you can wear this the majority of the year. It's a nice scent. It's not offensive. It won't offend anyone. I can wear it to work. I can wear it to brunch. I can wear it to church. I can wear this one pretty much anywhere. And again, I'm enjoying it. I'm excited that it's almost empty. I do not think I will be replacing this, but I will be looking to add a new rose fragrance to my collections. So if you do have any suggestions, comment down below and let me know a rose fragrance I should like start sampling now, so when this one is done, I can pick up a new rose fragrance. And then we have C by Chloe. Lost the lid. I'm not quite sure where it is. C by Chloe. This is sorry, I got in my eye. So this is my second bottle. So I really, really like this fragrance. As you can see, it's about here. So it's less than half. We have less than half left. This is a floral, woody, musky, white floral, yellow floral, fruity fragrance. It's discontinued. They don't make this anymore. I like it. Again, this one is something in the summer you can pretty much wear anywhere. In the summer I wore this. It does take a lot though. It's not something that lasts a very, very long time. So you do need to kind of douse yourself with it so that you could, so that it's noticeable or it lasts on you. I always get a lot of compliments when I wear this, but again, it's discontinued, and I don't think, the last time I checked, I don't like it enough to pay the prices that it's selling for now because it's been discontinued. It was fun while it lasted. If they ever come back out, if they ever want to release it again, I would pick it up. But at this point, because of it's discontinued and because of the prices it's selling for on like eBay, things like that, it's not worth it to me. It's an everyday summertime flirty, girly, very feminine scent. But again, I did get a lot. This was one, surprisingly, but you know, they always say guys do like sweet, fruity scents. But this was a fragrance that I got, one of the fragrances I received the most compliments on when wearing. But because it's discontinued, I will not be repurchasing. Again, less than half done, and that's C by Chloe. And then last, by honorable mention, I have another Chloe fragrance. It is one of those deluxe samples that you receive from Sephora, and this is Chloe Love Story. This is white floral, citrus, musk, wood, and sweet. As you can see, it's almost done. I'm trying to use it up. This is one of those fragrances, again, where I received tons and tons of compliments on it when I wore it. And the only time I wore this fragrance is on a casual Friday to work when I really didn't care, when I was just throwing on some jeans and a blouse, or jeans and a blazer, or it was jeans and a sweater, when I was just throwing on something and I was putting on a fragrance because that's what I do. I put on fragrance when I go out the house. Received so many compliments on this, but I don't even like it. So no, I'm not going to repurchase it because I don't wear fragrances just to get compliments from other people. I wear fragrance because I like the way they smell. I like how they make me feel. Like, they empower me. They make me, some of them make me feel flirty. Some of them make me feel sexy. Some of them make me feel very strong, and some of them make me feel very assured of myself. This one doesn't make me feel like anything. I don't like this way it smells. Get a lot of compliments. I will not be repurchasing this, but I am going to use it up because it served me well, even though it's not one of my favorites. Again, that's Chloe Love Story. And those are my fragrances. We have 3 fragrances into many that my goal is to use up from now. It's late. It's late in the winter, almost March. So between March and I would say the end of summer, I would hope to use these up and clear these out of my collection and not replace them. If I can do that, that's great. That means I have cleared up 4 bottles of perfume out of my collection, which always makes me feel happy because it means that I'm actually wearing them, I'm actually rotating them out, and I'm not just collecting them, collecting dust and wasting money. All right, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and you like my content, please go ahead and subscribe. If you have any comments or you have any suggestions, again, for the Rose fragrance that I am looking to replace, that's the only one I'm looking to replace out of the one shown. If you know any Rose fragrances that I should check out, go ahead and comment below. I will get some samples, go sniff them at the store. I did, on a side note, I did try the Lancome Adal. I wasn't ready to pull the trigger because that's the only other Rose fragrance really that I have sniffed. And it didn't have any, I can't find a sample yet, but I'll work on that. But again, if you have any suggestions, please leave them below in the comment box. And if you enjoy spending your time with me, please subscribe. Thank you so much and have a great day.